How's everybody doing? We are on Rainy Lake. We got some great footage coming up. Hopefully it's going to be a good week. Stay tuned. Alright, I got some upgrades for this trip. Got a GoPro here for the front view. And we got the back one. Straight.
Basically just gonna hug this thing all the way around.
That's what I thought, or we could get out there, get to that island, cut across, and fish that island all the way down that stretch.
Yeah, once we get out to where the island is, yeah.
Yeah, I got my best friend up here from South Dakota out here fishing. John Sapp, everybody right there. Got the trailer. I'm not even gonna go next to him because I don't want to poke a hole in it. How deep are we?
11 feet.
11 feet.
Bouncing between 10 and 11.
So we're in 11 feet. What's the water temperature?
I don't think I have it.
It says the water temperature on there.
Mine doesn't have it. Alright, right now. Or 56. There we go.
56 degrees we're in right now. What's that, Sean?
Is it showing up? Have you used your fish finder?
No, I haven't. I know it's shallow. I looked at Navronics. Like I said, it's only supposed to be, not too extreme, but out there it gets a little deeper. I figure I'll turn it on when I'm curious for some walleye. We got something. Oh, he let go. Oh, no, I still got him. Got one. First fish. I don't know if he's a little one or not. Oh! Son of a gun! It didn't feel too bad at the end there. At first I thought it was just something tiny, but then at the end it started pulling me. The water visibility is really not that dark. It's actually pretty clear. Scott over there has got the first fish. Bummed out. Thinking about stop fishing right now. Don't worry, we'll get plenty. We will get plenty.
Hey, Tyler, Sean gets a half catch credit.
Why, did he get one almost?
No, he got one. It was not the pole he was fishing with. It was the one that was hanging off the edge. It's a northern. Came up and hit his bait that was dangling over the water.
You can tell on the main part of the lake it starts getting a little windy out there. I'm really hoping to see a moose up here too. What's he doing back there? Is he making love to that pike back there, or is he coming?
He accidentally caught one, so he's gonna stick around for a minute.
He's probably taking 20 selfies with it on his selfie stick. I'm really hoping to see a moose up here. I bet you if I told him there's a moose up here.
Yeah, I'm trying to keep an eye on the shore.
Yeah, let me know if you see one. Boy, I gotta catch one, or else Sean's gonna rub it in the rest of the night. Oh, he fell off! I'm having really bad luck today. He was on there. That was cool. I was just trolling. All of a sudden, I think it was just the bending. Oh, there we got one. Oh, he fell off again. Oh, he pumped that. I think I'll have my drag too loose. That's really not loose that time though. Better clean the lens off here. The scenery here is just unreal. Rocks coming down, the pine trees. Even though I'm not catching fish, it's still been a pretty amazing trip. Looks like a nasty storm approaching this way. Right there, that must be it. Right there's our spot. And we finally made it. Let's go check it out. Here's the humble campsite right here. My pad set up. Not the prettiest. The guys are giving me crap, but it's gonna work out. First time I threw one of these up here. I didn't want it too high because I didn't want the wind to be coming off the lake. I think it'll work out just fine for tonight. Time to go back out there, round 2. Finally catch a fish. Sean finally accidentally got one for today.
Yeah, by chance.
I got a crawler harness rigged up right now. I got 20 feet of water and 58 degrees. Oh, got one! Ooh, a smallie! Not a very big one, but... First fish of the day, a smallmouth. 20 feet of water, I got him. Not a very big one, but I was pretty pumped about him. Still am. I think my luck's gonna change. It was pretty slow all day for me. No, I got one. Ooh, I think that's a sauger though. I don't think that's a walleye. I think that's a little sauger there. Comment down below if I'm wrong, but I think that would be the first sauger in the kayak. We were about 25 feet when we got that one. Much time left now. I know you guys can't see now, but I got the crawler harness on. Heading back to the campsite. I think we're done for the night. Just better get to bed early, wake up. Tomorrow's a new day.
I don't know how forest fires ever start.
Good morning, everybody. Made it through the night. It's not looking good out there, though. Not at all. Still sleeping. Are you tired? What do you gotta say for the morning?
Pretty nice.
What, did you get cold?
No.
No? That looks like you got cold last night. It is just insane out there, the waves right now. Yeah, it's not looking good for the rest of the day. We decided we're gonna pack it up and we're gonna go to a different lake, try it. Sucks. I guess the next thing is traveling across the lake. That's gonna be the next part. And they look a lot bigger than before. Everybody's getting their stuff down. I'm getting mine slowly but surely. Alright, here we go. Finally found a little back cove here we can fish. The wind's not so bad. We're gonna try it for a little bit, see how that pans out. Ooh, that wind was nasty out there. I'm sure glad it was coming from the east side and not the opposite. Just imagine the rest of it, huh?
Well, I guess it does have a beach. It's like the only beach I've seen. This is a little sand right there. So.
Got one.
Oh yeah!
Ooh. Pike. And then my nut's tangled up on my reel. It's not the biggest one in the lake, but it's the first one of the day.
Oh, you didn't catch him on the guppy?
No, I caught him on this darker Rapala, like a crankbait one here.
Oh, the darker, huh?
Yeah, I went darker.
I've been going bright. Maybe I should go dark. I haven't even tried this one though.
Oh, there he goes. Got one.
Yeah?
Little pike. That's two. All right, there we go. Little baby bugger. Ooh, there I got one. Ooh, this is decent. Yep. Oh yeah. Oh, I think maybe I can get him up. And he fell off too in my basket. There we go. Not a bad one for the day. Really slow there. I'm gonna say it's about 35 inches. Let's get him back in here. Head towards those islands, huh? Straight across. I don't think we're far from the visitor center. I think it's just right there where that big boat is. still don't see those guys. Oh, look, he just flew right in that tree right there. Well, that's it for the rainy trip here. It was fun, exciting, learned some new things, what I need to get next time. First time going camping, paddling in like that. Still survived. We'll have to do that next summer. We'll have to get some more camping videos. Fishing was slow. We're gonna go try hitting a different lake now on the way home, but that's for tomorrow. We'll see how that works. Can't be worse than this out here. Tomorrow's always another day, and thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video. Go stop recording. Oh, there you are. One last look at it before we take off here.